Alright guys, so I thought I'd give you a little update here. So, last I showed, I think I pulled the motor out and I had that dropped off, so hopefully that guy will start working on that, putting it together. At this point, I was going to start working on the steering. So, I have most of the parts here. I've got the tie rods, inner, outer, stuff like that. I have to take this apart because the little sleeve, I guess, is unique on manual steering, and everywhere I look, they're about 60 bucks each, so I'm going to take those apart, clean them up. So I take that all apart and kind of measure, so I'm in the ballpark for the tie rods, get them all cleaned up, put that together, and I got a bunch of wire wheeling to do, and then kind of get everything painted, then I can put it back together. I got some new bushings for that as well. For the rear end that was hanging, I dropped that off at a guy who's going to do a little bit of custom paint on it, some lettering and stuff. So underneath, basically it's all ready to go. I got the new leaves just sitting there, ugly on the floor. So I might hang them with the shackles and just put a bolt in the front so it's ready to go. But that's where I'm at with that so far. And then that box is the fuel tank and the wiring harness. And I was talking to my parts guy, I should be getting carpet in tomorrow. So, unfortunately, I'm just kind of waiting on a bunch of parts right now, which is a bit of a pain in the butt. But, you know, take it all apart, start getting the stuff cleaned up, painted, and put back together. So it's going to be a little boring for the next little bit here. But let's get the rear end in and the suspension, or the steering down on the suspension, then I can put it down, be 100% done with it. And then I don't know what I'm going to do next. I'm going to start wiring or what. I really want to get the front clip on and make it so it pivots and kind of looks cool. So let's be honest, that's the whole reason of this car being together. So I'll get this steering taken apart, show you what I'm going to do, and go from there. Alright, so there you go. Steering's all out. Right there. Steering box and shaft and all that is out. Just going through my parts. Unfortunately, I forgot to order, maybe I can't find it, but I had the bushing for the pitman arm, but not the center link, so I'll have to track one of those down. Hopefully there's one local, I can just get it. I'm going to mark these left and right, measure them, and then, yeah, take them all apart, take out this little adjusting sleeve next, get that all cleaned up, wire wheel everything, and paint it black, and let it dry overnight. So that's kind of my plan there, so I'll start ripping this apart right now. Alright guys, here's where we're at. Got center link apart, I got all the bushings pushed out of the pitman arm and everything there, so that's all done. I checked the local supplier, they actually do have one local, so I'll grab one tomorrow after work. All that's left is the tie rods, so I just measured them up real quick, wrote it down in a box so I wouldn't forget. So I'll take these apart, and then I just gotta start wire wheeling the adjusters, those, center link and all that. I'm probably gonna take this apart, get it all cleaned up, re-grease it, put it back together, and then, yeah, hopefully I can let that kind of dry overnight, and then start assembling it all tomorrow, and then the front suspension will be all together, and then I'll take that to work and pressure wash it tomorrow and degrease it, then paint it. Yeah, it's going pretty good. So I'll take this all apart, start wire wheeling, and show you my progress. Alright guys, here we are, everything's all wire wheeled, nice and clean, so I just gotta take this apart yet, re-grease it, and put it back together. But yeah, that's pretty much that. It's really a shame these are so expensive. I was just looking again on Rock Auto, I don't know if it says, you can see it there, but 70 bucks each for some, I guess they're different for a manual steering car over an automatic, so that's unfortunate. Those ones have some vice grip marks in it, but they'll work just fine. I kept the tie rods, inner and outers together, even though I measured them, you know, you can see where the threads are, so I can, when I put it back together, I can be, you know, close in the ballpark anyways, when I put it all back together. So I'll just hang these up, put a coat of paint on them, let them dry overnight. And then tomorrow, so I gotta pick that one bushing up. I called, there's one in stock, so I'll grab it after work. And hopefully I can press this all back together and yeah, put it back on the car for the last time. So I'm going to leave it at that for tonight. I might just bring it back real quick, show you what it looks like painted. But yeah, kind of a boring night, but I got a lot done. Alright guys, so here we go. Everything's painted in the booth. So let that dry overnight. Pick up that new bushing tomorrow. Hopefully all just pressed together nice and easily. And then that's pretty much it. Put the ball joints together. I was actually just going to clear coat those. And then yeah, put it together, put it in the car. So I think I'm going to leave it that for tonight. And I'll probably see you guys tomorrow and I'll put it together.